my non-existent eyebrows are gonna get a lift, okay? Today, we're checking out the Raw Brow Lifting Kit. I have never seen something like this before. I'm gonna be very honest with you. I was very intrigued by what this is, what it does, and why would I need it, okay? So I reached out to them. Yes, this video is sponsored by Raw Brow Beauty. Go ahead and hit them up on Instagram. It'll be on the screen, as well as a description down below where you can get the products that you see in the video, which is just one basic kit that you need. All you need is this kit. It's amazing. But hold on, before we get into that, let's get into this video and just get started. So I went in first by wiping my brows down clean, brushing them with the spoolie, and then I applied a brow gel. This gel, it was very sticky. To comb out my brows, I did it in an upward motion because I want my brows to look more thick, full, fluffy, so I did that. Then this was when I realized that it was perm cream, because it said perm cream, and I realized I was perming my brows. So it got pretty interesting from here on, and in a good way, don't worry. So I used a little brush, micro brush that it came with, and I put a coat on my eyebrow. And then I used a cling wrap, or like a plastic wrap, and I put that over my brows, and I'm going to let it sit for 5 to 8 minutes. So then after letting it sit for 5 to 8 minutes, I went ahead and I wiped it off with the cotton pad, and these ones are from Walmart, so I'll go ahead and link that. Was it burning? No, it wasn't. So I know that that would probably be like the biggest question is, does it burn? It does not burn. So I was very, very thankful for that. After that, I went in with the step 2, which was the fix cream. I put the fix cream over the brows with the micro brush until the brows were coated. I used the micro brush to apply the fix cream on my brows, and I wiped off any of the excess solution that was around my skin. Then I brushed the brows in a direction of my desired brows. And then again, like with the first step, you're going to cover it with the cling film or the plastic wrap, and you're going to wait 5 to 8 minutes. Then wipe it off with your dry cotton pads. And inside of the whole entire kit comes a bag of spoolies and micro brushes. It's about 5 each. So if you are good about your products, then you can probably use it multiple times, but I found myself having to use multiple spoolies and multiple micro brushes, so I have to re-up on it. Then for step 3, we're going to do the brow treatment, which is to nourish and strengthen your brows. I used, once again, the micro brush. So we're applying this to our brushes, and we're going to leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes. I like it. I love the results. We're not going to wipe it off or anything, we're leaving it. And then we use number 4 to clean it off. So I'm going back in with the spoolie to brush my brows. And after this, I'm just going to follow the aftercare instructions. So after this, I'm going in with my spoolie and just fixing my brows up. And I definitely think that you all should check out Raw Brow Beauty if you're looking for that salon treatment style at home. Very easy to do, one kit, one stop, one shop. I'll make sure everything is linked down below, and I love you all so much. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you later. Bye.